Chapter 4: Choosing Batteries, Lead Acid or Lithium? What is the superior battery type? So very many off-grid energy systems have dead lead-acid batteries around the US that a documentary covering all of them would run for years before exhausting them all. Moreover, it is difficult to blame the door of the lead-acid batteries. They are designed to work for a few years, which is what they do before fading and losing their charge depth. Lithium-ion batteries, on the other hand, while considerably more complicated than their lead counterparts, have some notable advantages. There is no argument that lithium batteries are superior. Let us examine exactly why this is so. Lithium versus lead battery. Lithium-ion battery. Advantage number 1, the size and weight of the lithium battery are superior. Lithium batteries are a lot smaller than a lead battery. In fact, lithium batteries are only a third the size and weight of the typical lead battery. The charge capacity is similar to that of the lead battery, something made possible by the lithium battery's superior energy density. The higher energy density improves deployment and installation to a considerable degree. Advantage number 2, the resilience level of lithium is better than lead. As you may well know, all batteries may be quickly and extensively damaged when excessively discharged. The same is the case when the battery is stored at extreme temperatures. However, the lead battery is a lot less tolerating of this roughhousing and is inevitably damaged when repeatedly discharged too quickly. If the lead battery is discharged below half its state of charge, SOC, or discharged faster than C/8A, C8 rating means the battery is completely discharged over a period of 8 hours, it loses potential cycles. Compare this to the lithium battery. It could be discharged to up to 80% of its SOC, and at a high C/2 rate. C/2 rating means the battery gets wholly discharged over a period of 2 hours, and there is no long-term damage to show for it. If you have no plans to keep changing batteries every few years while having to be super careful with them, the lithium battery is the ideal option. Advantage number 3, the life cycle is superior. Let us talk battery prices. It is no secret that the lithium battery costs you a lot more dollars than the lead battery. With time, this will change, and the lithium battery will cost a lot less. Projections say that in a few years, prices will drop below $400 per kilowatt hour. As is the case with many things, a lower price for a particular product, lead battery compared to another lithium battery, does not always make it cheaper. Some wise fellow once said cheap is expensive. This is what we are alluding to. Look at it this way, a lead battery, while costing less, will require lots of maintenance and you will surely have to replace it after some time. A lithium battery, while costing more, requires minimal maintenance, it is a lot more tolerant to rough treatment, and has a lifespan equaling that of, say, 3 to 4 lead batteries. What do you do at this stage? The lithium battery is undoubtedly the better battery. Still, a lead battery has served the world for nearly 2 centuries, so it cannot be vilified. If money is a problem, start out with a lead battery, while looking to move to the lithium battery in the future. Now that you know about batteries, solar panels and other valuable information that you need to get started, let's talk about wires and the fuse box that you need for the installation.